In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Gmail on your laptop or your PC. If this video helps you out, make sure to subscribe and drop a like because it really does support the channel. Having Gmail as a desktop app makes checking emails quicker and way easier. And to download this, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but you can follow along in other browsers with slightly different steps, whatever you prefer. To get started, open Google Chrome and just head over to the Gmail website. You could just type in Gmail or go to mail.google.com and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look up to the top right corner of Google Chrome and click on the three-dot menu icon. It should look something like this. It's going to pull up all this stuff right here. You're going to want to go ahead and find the cast, save, and share option over here. Go ahead and open up this page right here and you'll see an option that says install page as an app. Go ahead and click on that pop-up. And the pop-up's actually going to appear asking if you want to install Gmail. Go ahead and hit install. But that's it. Gmail is now installed on your computer like a regular app, ready to open anytime without needing to open your browser. If you found this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.